now, never, gradually, annually, slowly, sadly, sweetly, silently, occasionally, here, day after tomorrow, arguably, lovingly, barely, completely, privately, somewhere, proudly, carefully, nearby, soon, loudly, unwillingly, instinctively, appropriately, early, northwards, backwards, below, west, northwest, superficially, generously, gracefully, mysteriously, smoothly, skillfully, logically, unexpectedly, vividly, purposefully, nicely, tidily, consequently, then, always, eventually, quarterly, incidentally, frequently, badly, willingly, regularly, there, day before yesterday, comparatively, perfectly, far, casually, publicly, downstairs, nowhere, elegantly, cautiously, cheerfully, coldly, earnestly, obediently, boldly, currently, last week, southwards, away, above, east, up, supremely, briefly, graciously, joyfully, promptly, skeptically, analytically, tactfully, cleverly, wisely, legibly, necessarily, similarly, so, ever, monthly, much, immediately, commonly, dearly, hardly, normally, yesterday, tonight, consecutively, highly, least, tastefully, towards, uphill, anywhere, confidently, carelessly, abruptly, angrily, interestingly, rapidly, brightly, doubtfully, last month, eastwards, abroad, southeast, down, adequately, accidentally, busily, poorly, roughly, differently, graphically, lazily, victoriously, properly, thoroughly, tenaciously, unlikely, very, seldom, weakly, most, simultaneously, sincerely, patiently, often, actually, today, extremely, honestly, likely, deeply, madly, inside, downhill, eagerly, incessantly, easily, late, curiously, readily, continuously, cunningly, ambiguously, last year, westwards, out, north, southwest, underneath, comfortably, fiercely, randomly, repeatedly, successfully, physically, tightly, tremendously, widely, sickly, shortly, strongly, possibly, rarely, yearly, quickly, happily, faithfully, mostly, daily, basically, tomorrow, exceedingly, truthfully, nearly, fully, purely, outside, everywhere, beautifully, boldly, awkwardly, everyday, noisily, vaguely, consciously, suitably, momentarily, later, forward, under, south, northeast, gently, conveniently, fearfully, joyously, seriously, sufficiently, psychologically, loosely, vicariously, well, legally, simply, humbly, probably,